Hey guys, thanks for joining me and welcome back. So today in this video, I'd love to show you how I made these cute sparkling pumpkin tea light candle holders. This is very easy to make and it came out absolutely gorgeous. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the channel. Please subscribe and don't forget to hit that notification bell. That way you'll know when I upload new videos. And if you're one of my old subscribers, welcome. So guys, if you are interested in how I made these cute little pumpkin tea light candle holders, keep watching. So I'm going to use this 10-inch mirror that I covered up with a plastic so that it wouldn't flash out the camera or you guys. And I'm just going to trace the shape of it onto a foam board that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. Now I'm just going to cut out the shape. This is going to be the base of the mirror. And guys, I'll leave a list of everything I used in this video in the description section below. So now I'm just going to cut out everything that my utility knife didn't cut through. Here I'm just using a silver marker, Sharpie marker, just to cover the edge of the mirror, just to give it a little bit of a silver color. Now I'm going to hot glue that mirror to the base that we just cut out, and I'm going to adhere the mirror to the board. So right here I'm just using a nail buffing block just to smooth out the edge of the foam board so that it is nice and smooth. Now I'm going to add this 2-row diamond wrap to the outer perimeter of the mirror and the board. After that's done, I'm going to hot glue a long strip of the diamond flower wrap. I'm going to hot glue that to the edge of the mirror. And now that that's done, guys, this is what it looks like. So I'm going to put this off to the side and now I'm going to start working on the pumpkins. So I picked up a small package of these pumpkins from Amazon, and so I'm going to decorate 4 pumpkins. So right now I'm just going to take off the stem, I'm going to twist it and just pull it right out. It pops right out. I'm going to use these tea light candles that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to use one just to trace the shape of the tea light candle on top of the pumpkin. Right now I'm creating the opening where the tea light candle is going to sit. So I'm going to use my utility knife, slowly cutting around where I made the trace mark. I'm using my thread cutters just to remove that top. After that, I'm just going to continue scraping out the inside just enough that the tea light candle can sit inside without sitting too deep inside the pumpkin. That came out perfect. So now I'm going to use this skewer that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, some white paint that I picked up from Amazon. On a damp brush, I'm going to just apply that to the pumpkin. So I'm going to paint the complete pumpkin. I'm going to let it dry for 30 minutes and then I'm going to paint it again. After I painted it the second time, I let it dry for 2 hours. After it's dry, it's going to have a soft peach colored glow. And I'm just going to place it on this styrofoam, and I'm just going to let it dry for 2 hours, and I'm going to do the same to the other 3. So now that they're dry, I'm going to use some Mod Podge. I'm going to use the white glitter that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to use 1 package of that. And I'm also going to mix in some makeup glitter. This is by NYX, and it has red and blue flecks in it, so that's going to be really pretty. And I'm going to put in a little bit of that inside the Dollar Tree glitter, and I'm going to mix it really well. And now with a damp brush, I'm going to use a little bit of Mod Podge. I'm going to cover the entire pumpkin from top to bottom, and then I'm going to sprinkle the glitter mixture on top. After that, I'm going to set it to the side and allow it to dry for another hour. Here I'm going to use this flower diamond wrap mesh, and I'm just going to cut away some strips, and I'm going to cut the strips into single pieces. This is what that looks like, guys. It looks so beautiful, and it has a soft peachy glow to it. So now I'm going to use those single pieces, and I'm going to hot glue about 5, spaced as evenly as I can space them apart, and I'm going to just hot glue those to the outer perimeter of the pumpkin. Guys, I chose these foam pumpkins from Amazon because they were small. I wanted to do this with small pumpkins. The pumpkins at the Dollar Tree were a little bit too big for this idea, and yeah, so this came out really well. I'm glad I chose the smaller ones. This looks so beautiful. It looks dainty. So this is what that's going to look like. So now I'm going to set it up for you guys so that you can see it. And I can't even tell you how beautiful this looked in my room last night. Guys, this came out so beautiful. When it's lit, it looks absolutely stunning. These are so cute. They're dainty and they're lightweight also. So you want to make sure that you set them on a sturdy surface when you're using them, especially if you're using flame candles. But guys, let me know what you think in the comment section below, and I want to thank you so much for joining me today. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Don't forget to thumbs up the video, and please don't forget to subscribe. Be blessed, and I'll see you at the next video. Bye-bye.